There once was a dolphin named Anika. She was a bottlenose dolphin who lived with her mom on the Gulf of Mexico. She lived with 10 other dolphins she used to play with. One sunny day, Anika and her best friend Tanya were playing together away from the pod. They heard a loud explosion. The explosion they heard was an oil slick exploding. This happened on April 20th, 2010. In a matter of seconds, Anika and Tanya rushed to their moms, who all got together with the rest of the pod. The whole pod got together looking for a way to make sure everyone was okay. None of the dolphins wanted to leave the Gulf of Mexico because that is where they live. Even though they needed to leave, no one actually left. What no one realized was that the oil was giving out toxic fumes that could be deadly, especially when Anika wanted to go up to the surface for air. Chances were she would inhale the toxic fumes through her blowhole. Eating the fish was also something they had to worry about. Many fish were infected with toxic fumes from the oil, and the infections could be fatal. Some of the effects that Anika and her friends could suffer would be chemical burns and irritations from direct contact to the oil, ulcers and internal bleeding from consumptions, and poisoning from feeding on contaminated prey. Also, the oil irritates their skin, eyes, and other mucous membranes. The worst part is that when Anika or other bottlenose dolphins eat the fish, they take in the toxic fumes that end up in their stomachs that absorb nutrients and toxins. Because bottlenose dolphins are insectivores, piscivores, frugivores, nectivores, granivores, and herbivores, they are most likely to eat things like these that are poisoned with toxic fumes. There are many different ways you can help save bottlenose dolphins from becoming extinct. The first way you can help out is by donating as little as $10 to organizations like Tri-State Bird Rescue and Research, National Wildlife Federation, or the Coalition to Restore Coastal Louisiana. If you want to do more than that, you can volunteer and help rescue or rehabilitate wildlife like bottlenose dolphins by simply submitting your information about how you want to volunteer to fw4ppc@fws.gov. But if you have no experience, don't worry. You can still volunteer by registering online at the Gulf of Mexico Deepwater Horizon Incident. This way, if you volunteer, you can help save Anika and many other bottlenose dolphins' lives.